Hello and welcome to our channel Baat Pategi. I am Deepa and today I have come here to share my experience on acupuncture therapy. Uh, I suffered from chronic sinusitis from last more than 20 years and I tried a lot of therapies like allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, but frankly speaking I didn't get that much relief from the symptoms of sinus, or you may say I didn't get a permanent cure. Along with time I even got asthma, so that was a time where I suffered a lot, and all those people who suffer from sinusitis and asthma know what they really go through. So that was a real tough time for me. And then I came to know about an acupuncture institute in Jaipur, and I was staying near Delhi at that time, so I went there. I took treatment. It was like I really felt a relief from that treatment, but the place was very far from me. I tried to visit there, but I was not able to take the full-fledged treatment. And then somebody also told me about like ear piercing. There I also went and I did an ear piercing in the right ear lobe, and that also gave me relief from the asthmatic symptoms. And I shifted in Hyderabad, and so it was real tough for me to visit to the Jaipur Institute where I was going previously. So in Hyderabad, my cousin told me that there is an acupuncture clinic, and quickly I went there. And there, I met Dr. Archana, and she told me that we have a good results in sinus in acupuncture. And at that time, I was very happy because I got a ray of hope that I will be treated or cured with acupuncture very soon. So the treatment got started, and truly speaking, first week was very tough for me because doctor told me that you have to leave the medicine because your body has got addicted to the medicine, the Monter LC I was taking for the last 1 year continuously. And it was real tough for me to leave the medicine, but she told me to have faith on the therapy, and I did that. And after 1 week, after the treatment, I got relieved from the symptoms, and then the magic start happening. And really after 2 months, all my symptoms, my sinus, the runny nose and the slight congestion in the chest all went, and today I'm sitting here and I'm completely cured. So why I made this video is only for those people like who are really suffering from sinus and asthma, and they didn't find any full-fledged cure or treatment in other therapy. I'm not saying that other therapy do not work, but for some people it wouldn't work. So as in my case, so acupuncture is a treatment or therapy which really helped me a lot. So today we have Dr. Archana with us, and she will be telling about the sinus problem and how acupuncture helps in the sinus problem. And there are many other conditions or diseases where many other therapy won't able to help the patient, but acupuncture do have the treatment or cure in it. So here she is.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Archana, consultant naturopathic physician and acupuncturist. Not just like Deepa, there are many other patients who are suffering from different ailments. Acupuncture does wonders for sinusitis and any issues related to pain, maybe ortho pain, like any bone pain or anything. Acupuncture does wonders and it gives magical results. Actually, acupuncture is a physical medicine like any other medicine, and it is based on real anatomy. It works on your blood vessels and the nervous system. It activates your blood vessels and nervous system, and it removes the allergic reactions whatever happen in your body because of any infections. In case of sinusitis, there are many lymphocytes which are released into your blood, which causes vasoconstriction of your nose. There may be blocked nose, and the sinuses may be filled with the fluid that is a mucus, and sometimes it may even get hardened, and there may be many breathing issues and all. So how acupuncture works is it increases blood circulation, and it works through your lymphatic system. We stimulate the body's inherent healing mechanisms which happen in your body through very fine needles which we place in the areas of all the sinuses. We have paranasal sinuses like above your eyebrows, just below your cheeks. So we stimulate all this system, all these points wherein it relieves your pain and the symptoms related to your like sneezing nose, runny nose and continuous sneezing whatever happens in the morning hours, and there may be even block nose which creates a difficulty in your breathing. So all these symptoms will be relieved without any without using any other medicine, and it stimulates your body to heal by itself in case of sinusitis. And there are many other diseases like acupuncture does wonders in pain, whatever may be the pain, whether it is migrainal headache or your shoulder pain, back pain, neck pain, whichever the pain may be, acupuncture does wonders by increasing flow of blood in that particular area, and increases the body's self-healing capacity, thereby reducing pain.
मैम इसके अलावा और बहुत सारी डिजीज़ है जिसके जो जो एक्यूपंक्चर ट्रीट कर सकती है विदाउट किसी भी मेडिसिन के.
Yeah, there are many other diseases where acupuncture can help. Like, for example, if we take PCOS or any hormonal imbalance, like there may be irregular periods in many of the females who are suffering a lot, maybe from teenagers to till menopause. There are many problems like fibroids, PCOS and all. So all these diseases can be cured with acupuncture without any side effects, without using any hormones. We can get good relief. There are many patients who are suffering from irregular periods, PCOS, many youngsters. So all these diseases can be cured with acupuncture only by balancing the body. Any disease, most of the times it occurs because of over increased flow or maybe decreased flow, or there may be stagnation. So whatever may be the cause, there will be disease. So acupuncture works by balancing your system, by increasing the flow when there is decreased flow, and by dispersing the stagnated blood or anything, and it balances your whole body.
मैम एक और क्लैरिफिकेशन मेरे को आपसे पूछना था, बिकॉज कई लोगों को ऐसे डाउट रहता है कि इसमें आप कोई भी मेडिसिन नहीं देते, कुछ भी नहीं करते, सिर्फ आप निडल से ही जो है पेशेंट को क्योर कर देते हैं. तो पर्सनली मुझे तो ऐसे फील हुआ जैसे कुछ मैजिक हो गया कि धीरे धीरे सारा जो साइनस जो 20 ईयर से मैं ठीक नहीं कर पा रही थी और बहुत परेशान थी, लेकिन वो एकदम ऐसे गायब हुआ, जैसे अब लगता है जैसे मैजिक हो गया कि मेरे को इतना लाइट फील होता है. तो ये किस तरह से होता है, एक तो ये मुझे पूछना था. और कई लोगों को ऐसे डाउट होता है कि जिस तरह से नीडल से थेरेपी करते हैं तो उसमें कई लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं कि इसमें कुछ स्टीरॉइड्स जो है नीडल्स में लगाते हैं और फिर उससे ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं. तो ये इस पे भी मेरे को एक क्लैरिफिकेशन आपसे लेना था कि कई लोगों को इस तरह से लगता है.
Yeah, acupuncture will give magical results, but it is not a magic, it is a real medicine. It works through meridians. Actually, our body is divided into 40 meridians. So we have same like blood vessels, how the blood flows. They even believe in energy systems. So it works by increasing the flow of your energy, flow of your inherent healing energy of your body, which is already present in your body, which they call as immunity. So we increase that healing capacity of your body through these needles, and these needles are very fine, thin, hairline thickness, and the needles are open in front of the patient and we use directly in front of them. We do not put any medicine or anything. We use fresh needles, sealed needles, which we open in front of the patient and directly put it. So there is no medicine or anything, but it is not a magic, but it works like magic. It gives magical results.
So one more question I would like to ask you, ma'am. What is the duration of the treatment? Because like I took 2 sessions for 2 months and I am totally cured.
So how long we require to take the treatment is your question. Actually, acupuncture works by improving your health system and improving your healing capacity. It depends upon your body. Like a person can heal just within 5 days, and a few patients may take around 20 days, maybe a month, 2 months. So maximum period of treatment in acupuncture may last from 1 month to a maximum period of 6 months, depending upon the history and the problem you are having. So most of the times acute sinusitis, or when it is just within 6 months or 1 year, it may you may get relief immediately within 1 week to 10 days or 20 days max. So after that we give a gap of 1 week to 10 days. In 1 week or 20 days, if you are not getting any symptoms, then it is done. You may come for the next visit after 1 month, weekly once or something like that, if you have any symptoms, or else it is done. So this is in case of acute cases. When it is chronic, maybe few patients are there who may be taking some other treatments in other fields of medicine, like in allopathy, homeo, whatever, in other medicine, where they may be chronic patients, like they may be suffering from 20 years, 30 years. So for that kind of patients, we give acupuncture. Along with it, we give some home remedies and all. They need to follow all the home remedies regularly, and acupuncture may last for 2 months, 3 months. So after every 1 month, we give a gap. In that gap, we'll know whether to give it regularly, or do we need to, according to their response, we'll be changing the treatment schedules and all. Maybe maximum would be for 6 months, not more than that.
And in future?
In future, most of the times, patient may get good relief, and patient will be taught all the home remedies and what are all the things. Home remedies mean in naturopathy, we give all home remedies. Like naturopathic medicine works very well. Naturopathic medicine is nothing but whatever we can do to increase the body's inherent healing capacity through natural things, like whatever we have in case of respiratory illnesses. We mostly use camphor, turmeric milk, ginger, dry ginger. So all these things, what are we should do at home. And even few techniques like pranayama techniques and yogic techniques, which will help you to be in good health and harmony.
The next question I would like to ask you, ma'am, why many people don't believe, or they are not aware of acupuncture treatment, or they don't go for the acupuncture treatment?
Acupuncture works very well for almost all diseases, most of the diseases, other than some infectious diseases. Acupuncture works very well for all lifestyle disorders, like any ortho related issues. I mean, like any bone related issues, like neck pain, back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, tennis elbow, even I had treated a few conditions like trigger finger and writer's cramp, carpal tunnel syndrome, wherein most of the times doctors suggest that you require, most of the surgeons suggest you require surgery. So few are the cases which I have treated, and the patients are very happy with my treatment for writer's cramp, wherein surgery was suggested and patient was treated without any surgery, and they are very well going on with acupuncture. And it was given only for 2 months, and the patient got 99.9% relief, we can say. And the patient is not suffering from the disease of writing or the pain which they were experiencing before. That pain is not there. So mostly acupuncture works for all pain related, we can say pain management. Most of the times it works very well for all the pains, maybe knee pain, back pain, heel pain. So all these pains, acupuncture gives very good relief without any side effects and without use of any painkillers. Acupuncture relieves natural painkillers from your body itself.
So the next question I would like to ask you, ma'am, is it acupuncture a costly treatment as we see in other therapies? So I would like to clarify from you.
So maybe if we go to some other doctor, maybe some MRI cost or anything, MRI cost and a few other investigations, the same cost if you pay for an acupuncture doctor, he'll be treating your disease. So it's very economical for the patient, and without getting exposed to high harmful rays and all, your disease gets cured.
So anybody who wants to consult to Dr. Archana ma'am, I would be giving her details into the description box also. I will be giving her phone number. You can connect to her if you want to consult her on any kind of disease or anything. Thank you.
Thank you.